Hello, today we are going to learn how we can pass dictionary to. First, try to understand what is a dictionary. And dictionary is an unordered collection of values and it is a mutable object, which means addition and deletion of values are possible. It is created with curly braces and have keys and values both. Let's take an example of dictionary. DICT is equal to, with curly braces, this is key and this is value. This is key and again this is value. So in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these are key, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and up to Saturday are the values of keys. So this is how we can create a dictionary. Now see how we can pass dictionary to a function. So we have created dictionary, and you can see in function call statement we have passed this dictionary. Now argument D in function definition will receive value of this dictionary. Now if you will print D, you will get answer dictionary as it is. Now if you want to print only keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for this you need to write for x in D print x. X means keys. Now if you want to print only values, for that you have to write print D and within square braces x. You can print values with D dot values function. Now if you want to print like this value key value, for this you need to write in print statement key, then x as key value, then dx as value with for loop. Same key and value you can have with items function. For this you need to write for x comma y in d dot items. This will return key and value both of dictionary. So this is the way how we can create dictionary, how to pass this dictionary, and how to print values of the dictionary, how to print keys of the dictionary, and how to print keys and values both of the dictionary. Now it's time to check the program in Python shell. So we have the output same we have